beauties, it's me, Alegra. I thought it'd be really fun today to do a testing Amazon top rated makeup products video. I found some products that are top rated on Amazon. They are makeup products, so I thought it'd be really fun if we could test them out together. They are the most loved, the top rated on Amazon, so they must be good, don't you guys think? I don't know, but you never can tell because some of these things I did unbox, and while I haven't tried them out yet, they did look a little wonky. So I was like, wait a minute, okay, but we'll try them out together. Maybe I'm wrong. First impressions could always be not correct, right? So without further ado, let's just dive right into this testing Amazon top rated makeup products video. Let's see if they're really that good, guys. So the first thing that I ordered from Amazon that was on their top rated makeup list is this mascara here from Thrive Cosmetics. This is their Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. It is said to provide length and volume and has an orchid stem cell complex. It's said to have a flake-free tubing technology for instantly longer and thicker lashes. And it does have that orchid stem cell complex, which they say is going to help stimulate longer and healthier lashes. So how phenomenal does that sound? And I have it right here. It has beautiful packaging and a silver foil detailing on it. So it definitely is gorgeous packaging. But let's see if this mascara is really all of that. So here is the wand in itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the mascara now and see how it goes. First off, I have to say it seemed to lengthen and separate every single lash on my eye. So that is pretty phenomenal because I do have very sparse lashes, and it actually did just give me the appearance of having tons more lashes than I actually do have. So I'm just going to apply some to my lower lashes now. I have not dipped back into the product, so this is still our first dip in. I love how effortless and natural the lashes seem. They're not clumpy. They have lengthened and separated every single lash on my eye, even ones I didn't know I had. So that's crazy because I really don't have any lashes, guys. So this is really amazing. I'm going to go ahead and dip in again and see if we can build up on this, how far we can go in terms of volume and length. So let's go back into another dip into the product, and I'm going to apply another coat and see what happens. Maybe you don't even need to apply 2 coats because that first coating did so much. I'm not even sure that I even need more, but then again, actually, wow. This is 2 dips into the product. This really does make it look like you have lash extensions. It's crazy how natural and effortless it looks, and yet gave me all of these lashes. I can't even imagine what it would do for someone that actually does have lashes because my lashes are just so sparse. So this on someone that has, you know, a normal amount of lashes even, I can't even imagine what it would do for them because it just gave me all of the lashes I could ever want and dream of. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye now, and then we'll try out some more Amazon top rated makeup products. So let's dive into the next Amazon top rated makeup product. So I have here this Maybelline lipstick in Nude Nuance. This is the matte shade 657. So I'm really excited to try it out. I did sneak a peek at it. It looks absolutely stunning. So let's try it out and see exactly why this is Amazon top rated. So I'm just going to apply my NYX liner in Global Citizen. This is also an Amazon top rated makeup product. And this is their Line Loud lip pencil. So I do believe this is a new lip pencil from NYX, and it is already made it to the Amazon top rated category. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this. Well, this reminds me of my Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Lip Liner. It feels exactly like that. It's so creamy, and the color in itself is that same shade. So love that. So let's now move into trying out the Maybelline Nude Nuance. So here it is. It does look like it's on the deeper side, but I'm going to go ahead and try it out because now that I put on this lip liner, I love this tone. It's just so stunning, but I'm going to go ahead and put this on, but it does look deeper, but let's see. So yeah, it's not as deep as it appears, at least on my complexion. I thought it was going to be much deeper, but it's actually a beautiful nude tone shade. It is described as a matte Yeah, it feels so creamy, and it actually doesn't feel drying whatsoever. It feels moisturizing and it feels very creamy. If you love that 90s makeup look, or you just love those deeper nude tones, then I think you would absolutely love this lipstick. It feels incredible. It's not patchy whatsoever. The color in itself is stunning. So that's another amazing Amazon top rated makeup product. So finally, beauties, I have to show you these lashes. Now, I did show them in a previous video, and like I said earlier, they look wonky to me, and I actually, after putting on that mascara, I don't even want to put these on. But in the spirit of fairness and, you know, showing everything that I got that was top rated from Amazon for today, these are the lashes, beauties. Let me know what you think. So here they are. These are the top rated false lashes on Amazon. You know, I don't know what to say, you guys. I'm just gonna try them on, but I don't have high hopes for these. I don't know. I just don't. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, I don't know. Let me go ahead and put some glue on these, and then we'll pop them on and see how they come out. And I just have to give my initial first impressions. The lash band is very thick, so I don't know what to say, beauties, because it feels, they feel weird. But, you know, if you like a thick lash band, then these probably would be nice for you. Something you'd enjoy. I prefer more of an invisible lash band, so yeah. And I don't even want to touch these lashes now that that mascara is just so stunning that I have on the Thrive mascara. I don't even want to put these on, but I am gonna try them out for us beauties. I'll do it for us. But yeah, and these are very long. They are extremely long, so I'm gonna have to cut these for sure. So I'll be right back. So beauties, I've got the lash glue on them. I've trimmed them down a bit. They still, I'm very hesitant to put these on, but I'm doing it for the purposes of testing these out. But I don't have high hopes for these because they also, the band just didn't, the band is not very pliable, let me put it that way. So I don't know how these wound up on the top rated, but maybe I'm wrong. You know what? Maybe I'm wrong. Actually, maybe I'm wrong, because, you know, maybe they're gonna look so natural. Is that what it is? Because actually now I just put them on and I don't know, maybe they're gonna look, oh, I don't know about this, guys. Yeah, no, I don't think these are, I don't know. Let me see. Let me work them, because actually, do they look very natural in a way? They're very curly. They have so much curl to the lash. That's something I've never seen before. I've never seen such curly fake lashes before. Faux lashes. Okay, maybe I was wrong about these, but look at that Thrive mascara. I think the Thrive mascara, my own lashes are longer than the fake lashes. So which eye do you like better, beauties? Do you like the fake lashes? I'm still gonna work with them, but I actually like my own lashes better, so. Here's this eye, let's see. They're cute. They are cute. They are very natural looking, actually. I thought I would never wear these, but actually that's a very cute look, and it does look very, you know, kind of effortless. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them dry, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of liquid liner on. That's what I normally do with all my faux lashes, just to kind of, you know, disguise any of the lash band. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back. So beauties, this is the finished look. I got the lashes on, and actually I can totally see their appeal now. I think that they look very youthful and natural. I have to say, I really actually do love them. They're very different. They're very different. Normally I do wear a wispy and kind of an elongated lash, but this lash is something I've never seen before. You know, they're kind of shorter and they're thicker and they look like they're curled. So I was kind of thrown off when I first came, and my first impressions of them, they looked a little weird, but actually now I totally see the appeal. I think they just look very natural, and I really like them. Although I have to say, how amazing is that mascara? So, you know, I guess it's two totally different looks, because this is something a little, it's more different. It's different. Because that mascara was amazing. Like I said, I didn't even want to put the lashes on. That's how amazing the mascara was. But in the spirit of testing out these Amazon products, I had to try these lashes, and I'm really so glad that I did. I think they're stunning. And how good is this lip? It's beautiful. It feels amazing. and the color is so gorgeous. I don't know what to compare it to, but it definitely feels like any high-end lipstick, a Chanel lipstick or anything like that. The color in itself, beautiful. So I really lucked out today with these Amazon finds. I'm so glad that I was able to scoop them up, and I definitely have more in my cart that I'll be back and I'll be sharing with you beauties soon. So let me know if you've tried these. Have you tried the Thrive mascara? I know a lot of you beauties are into Thrive Cosmetics, so let me know if you've tried that mascara yourself and what your experience was, or have you tried this lip or these lashes? Let me know down below any of your Amazon favorites. I would love to try them out next. So thank you so much for coming and spending time with me. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we have so many giveaways going on. So as a subscriber, you'll be entered into all of our giveaways. So we have tons of giveaways constantly going on. So definitely don't forget to subscribe. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. And I will see you very soon. Bye.